Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that every tabletop role-playing game enthusiast should consider adding to their collection. We found this incredible resource online and have added the link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the Game Master's Book of Random Encounters, 500 plus customizable maps, tables, and story hooks to create 5th edition adventures on demand. This book is a treasure trove for game masters looking to enhance their gameplay experience. It's designed specifically for the 5th edition of Dungeons & Dragons, but its versatility makes it suitable for a variety of tabletop RPG systems. So, what exactly does this book offer? First and foremost, it's packed with over 500 random encounter ideas. Each encounter is meticulously crafted, providing you with not just a scenario but also detailed maps and story hooks to help you seamlessly integrate them into your campaign. This means you can quickly pull together a rich narrative on the fly, making your game sessions more dynamic and engaging. One of the standout features of this book is its customizable nature. You can easily adapt the encounters to fit your party's level, environment, and story arc. The tables included allow you to roll for random encounters, ensuring that no two sessions feel the same. This randomness injects an element of surprise and excitement into your games, keeping players on their toes. In addition to the encounters, the book also provides advice on how to tailor these scenarios to your specific campaign setting. Whether your players are venturing through a dark forest, exploring ancient ruins, or navigating bustling city streets, you will find relevant and inspiring content to enhance the atmosphere of your game. Now, who is this book suitable for? It's perfect for both novice and experienced game masters. If you're just starting out, the structured guidance and ready-to-use encounters can help you feel more confident in your storytelling abilities. For seasoned veterans, it serves as a valuable resource to keep your ideas fresh and invigorate your campaigns. Practical use cases for this book are abundant. Imagine you're in the middle of a session and your players decide to take an unexpected turn down a side path. Instead of scrambling to come up with something on the spot, you can quickly reference the book, roll for a random encounter, and voila! You have a compelling scenario ready to go. This can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on the fun aspects of game mastering. Moreover, the book is also beneficial for collaborative storytelling. If you're playing with a group that enjoys improvisation and creativity, this resource can serve as a launchpad for brainstorming new ideas together. Players can even suggest modifications or work with you to expand on the encounters, making the game a truly shared experience. In conclusion, the Game Master's Book of Random Encounters is an essential tool for any tabletop RPG enthusiast. It empowers game masters to create immersive, engaging, and varied adventures that keep players coming back for more. With its versatility, comprehensive features, and practical applications, it's sure to enhance your gaming sessions significantly. Thanks for watching. If this